Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about the fastest way for multiplying. Now, when it comes to multiplying really quickly, there's a couple of tools that you want to keep in mind. One, and this is especially essential, is understanding and remembering your multiplication tables. Because frankly, that's the fundamentals on multiplying in general, and if you have an inside-out knowledge of the multiplication tables, that'll really help you understand and do the multiplication problems really quickly. And a couple of other tools that you want to keep in mind are how numbers work. So for example, if you know that 7 times 4 is equal to 28, a tool that will help you when it comes to multiplying fast is any number that ends with a 7 multiplied by any number that ends with a 4 is going to end with an 8. Now 20 is important, but the 8 is what's going to be critical. So for example, if you have 27 times 14, you know this is an approachable long multiplication problem, but due to the fact that 4 times 7 is what you're going to be multiplying first, you know that it's going to end with an 8, and you know how to continue the rest of the problem, but the final digit of this number is going to be the number 8, which corresponds to 7 times 4. Now, another quick example. You know that 8 times 9 is going to equal to 72, but what that tells you here is the last digit is 2, and that means that if you have a number that ends with an 8 and multiplying by a number that ends with a 9, you're going to end up with a number that ends with a 2 because of the 72 characteristic. So that means if you have 39 times 28, you know you're multiplying 8 times 9, so that's going to end with a number that ends with a 2. Now you want to continue the rest of the multiplication, but the pattern is going to be there. So as long as you remember the patterns and the multiplication tables, you will be able to multiply pretty fast. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's the fastest way to multiplying.